Hi everyone, welcome to Irfan CFPS YouTube channel. In today's class, we will discuss the most commonly used type of automatic sprinkler system, that is wet sprinkler system, along with the three main sprinkler system piping arrangements. Let us understand that when designing a sprinkler system, one of the first decisions a designer has to make is what type of sprinkler system should be installed. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure to hit the subscription button below. Let's go. Fire sprinkler system operates in different ways. The types of sprinkler systems permissible by NFPA 13 are wet system, dry system, pre-action system, and deluge system. Wet systems are the most common type used around the globe. Dry pipe system is used where water freezing is possible. Pre-action system is used where there are concerns over water damaging the critical equipments. It provides highest degree of protection against unintended activation. For high hazard applications, deluge systems are used. Other type of extinguishing systems such as clean agent and water mist systems are addressed by other standards. When selecting the appropriate sprinkler system type, it is important to first understand the differences between the systems and then to understand how these differences can be beneficial under certain conditions. Selecting the wrong system type can be costly. Let's look into the main system piping arrangements. There are three types of piping arrangements for sprinkler systems acceptable by NFPA. Number 1, tree system. Number 2, loop system. Number 3, grid system. We will see the diagram of tree system now. In tree system, water is delivered through a cross main. The cross main is the pipe that supplies water to the branch line. Sprinklers are located on the branch lines attached to the cross main. Loop system is a system in which a primary main makes a loop to supply branch lines. As we can see from the figure, the looped main splits the water supply into two parts for the water to flow to the branch lines. This arrangement can provide a hydraulic advantage over the traditional tree system by providing water flow to sprinkler from more than one direction. Grid system is a system of branch lines interconnected by cross main on both ends of the branch line. In this, sprinkler systems are connected to the two sides of the loop. It splits water supply into multiple paths. Grid systems can be used only for wet pipe sprinkler systems in order to provide a hydraulic advantage for systems with numerous branch lines by providing water flow to sprinkler from multiple directions. However, in dry type pipe systems, grid systems are not allowed since they are subject to excessive time delays for water to reach the operating sprinkler because water can flow through many paths. Let us discuss our main topic, wet pipe sprinkler systems. These are the most common type and easier to maintain. Wet pipe sprinkler system employs automatic sprinklers attached to a piping system containing water and connected to water supply so that water discharges immediately from fire. In this system, the sprinkler piping is constantly filled with water. When the temperature at the ceiling gets hot enough, the glass bulb or the fusible link in the sprinkler will break. Since the system is already filled with water, water is free to flow out of that sprinkler head. Not all the sprinkler heads will operate at once in this kind of system. The temperature around that specific sprinkler head needs to be high enough to break the glass bulb or fusible link that is holding water back. Once that happens, water will immediately start flowing from that head. These kind of systems are most reliable and most cost effective as compared to other type of systems. Therefore, these kind of wet sprinkler system should be the first type to consider when selecting a sprinkler system. However, there are times when a wet pipe sprinkler system may not be appropriate if the temperature of the space or a building to be protected is less than 4 degrees centigrade. Then there is a risk for water in the piping to freeze. Then a different system type should be chosen. Let us look into the operation of wet pipe sprinkler systems. Wet pipe sprinkler system is intended to detect, control and extinguish a fire and warn the occupants of occurrence of fire. The installation comprises of fire pumps, water storage tanks, control valve sets, sprinkler heads, flow switches, pressure switches, pipe work and different kind of valves. This system operates automatically without human intervention. We can see a sample diagram on our screen which has water tanks connected to the fire pumps that provides adequate pressure and water flow rate to a water distribution piping network onto which these sprinklers are connected. When the fire starts, the temperature of the environment rises, a liquid in the glass bulb begins to expand. If the temperature continues to rise, the liquid expands so much that it breaks the glass, which in turn releases the water directly onto the seat of the fire through sprinklers over a large area. A flow of water through the wet pipe alarm sounds an alarm. There are different kinds of glass bulbs filled with different liquids, and these are color coded. We shall discuss this color coding in future classes. Each sprinkler head is activated independently, and the main goal is to reduce water damage in the event of false alarm. I hope you enjoyed this class. We will discuss the other type of sprinkler systems in next class. Thank you. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the subscription button below and click on the notification icon. Thank you. Bye.